Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a contact in Outlook. So do you need to quickly save someone's email to your contacts in Outlook? All right, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a contact in the updated Outlook web app. Let's jump in. The first thing I'd like you to do is to go to browser, go to your browser and visit outlook.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Now, once you're logged in the left sidebar, locate the people icon, and once you click on it, that's going to open this. This opens the contacts page. Now, at the top of the people page, go ahead and click on new contact. And once you click on new contact, the contact creation form will appear. So what you're going to do is enter the first name of the person and the last name. Then fill all of these fields: the phone number, company, job title, notes, etc. You can also add multiple email addresses or phone numbers by clicking the add buttons under each section. Of course, you need to, after filling in the necessary details, go down and click on save. And once you click on save at the bottom, your new contact is now saved in Outlook and will be available when composing emails. Now, if someone already emailed you, all you need to do is to open their email. Now, hover their email or email address. Click on the three dots menu in the pop-up and choose Add to Contact. Then fill in any additional details and click Create. I'll go over that again. If someone already emailed you, just open their email, hover over the name or email address, click the three dots menu in the pop-up and choose Add a Contact. Then fill in any additional details and click Create. And that's how you add a contact in Outlook web app. So whether you're saving someone new or creating a list is just a few quick clicks. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.